Hi everyone, it's Goodwill time again, and we have another good haul for you, and then we're going to style it for you to show you how great it's going to look in your house. So first of all, you know I love my Goodwill hauls. You know I find some great items, lots of pottery, some cute statues. I find a lot of homeschool stuff for my kids, books and like notebooks, stuff like that. You're going to hear this lady in the background. She is going to tell us that the battery's low. However, we have put a new battery in it, but it still won't work for some reason. It's also connected through the other smoke detectors, but we will get it fixed. It just won't be this week, I guess. Anyway, here we go. I got some really cute little items. This was a little owl, and you're supposed to paint them, but I'm not going to paint them. And I think he's vintage. I'm not sure. He comes from China. And I'm not sure what year it was, but I did get it for like $1 or $2 at Goodwill. But I thought he was cute. He's a cute little owl, and you can paint him. The artist actually, the artist who produced these was somebody who worked with wood, and so he made this little kit, and the little kit came, I believe, with paint, so you could paint it, but he was still had his own little tag on, so I'm not sure exactly, but maybe if I can find the paperwork, I'll have my daughter put it down in the comments, or yes. Anyway, here we go. My next thing was, look how cute this little whale is. Isn't he cute? He's got some texture to him. Not sure what he is, how he is, what he does. He's just a little statue, but I thought how cute this would be on a shelf somewhere. He would even be cute on a stack of books, but he's got a cute little smile, and he's gray with some brown tones, so very pretty. Next is this statue. This is pretty heavy. This was hand carved in Kenya. It was a Goodwill statue. I got it for $5. It was regular $9.99, but it's really heavy, and I really like him. He probably needs a name. Maybe we'll name him. What do you think? Very cute. Okay, next is this gorgeous, and I do mean gorgeous vase. It is Goodwill, of course, probably about $3. I think it's a newer one, so it's not really vintage, but I love the colors on it, and I just think how pretty this would be in your decorations, especially in the wintertime, which it is here. And this one, oh my gosh, I love this one. This is beautiful. It's got a texture to it. It was made in Thailand. It was regular $8. I paid $4 for it. It is blue and white, and it's got like a really cool texture to it. I don't know if you can see it, but there it is. It's absolutely beautiful. I just fell in love with it. Just, oh my gosh, love this. It's beautiful. Okay, next is this little tiny pottery. This I think was probably $3. I think this is a newer one. I think this may have come from like Hobby Lobby or somewhere like that, because it's fairly new. And then I got this one also. This one was also something that was new, I believe, and it was probably $2. And this one, oh my gosh, look at this. I'm not sure what this is, if anybody knows. It's got a hole in here. It's like an Aztec type pottery. It's got a little hole right there, maybe for a candle. The hole doesn't go all the way through, but I love this. It's really hand painted. It's very nice. It's pottery. Look how cute that one is. Sort of like an Aztec Mexican pottery. If anybody knows anything about these, I would appreciate, your comments below. But how cool is that? And then my last one is this metal, no, it's not metal, it's really heavy. It was $5. It's like it looks metal, but it's not. I'm going to come around just so I can show it to you up close because it really is a gorgeous piece. And I'm not sure, see how gorgeous this is? It is absolutely gorgeous. I love the colors on it. It's not metal, but it's not ceramic either, so I'm not sure what it is, but look how gorgeous that is. So now I'm gonna take you and show you how I styled it in my house. Okay guys, let's stage this beautiful table with all of my thrift items. I did find the little booklet for this little owl, as you can see. You were supposed to paint him. And this guy's name is Mike Kent, nationally known artist. He does carbon designs and painting instructions. So this came with this little owl, which I thought was really cute. There he is. And this came with him tagged on him. But I thought I'd show you that because it's pretty cool. I don't know if there's a year on it. Let me see if it has a year on it. It might have. Let me see. Ah, 1995. I don't know if you can see it, but okay, it's almost 30 years old. So that's pretty cool. Almost 30 years old. And as you can see, I got them at the Goodwill for $2 because it was half price. I probably have gone to the Goodwill every week for the last 8 weeks. Yeah, 8 weeks. All right, so first off is this beautiful, as you know, I love this vase. This is going to go right over here. So that's going there. And let's see. I think I will put this beautiful blue and white right here. This, I love this vase. I love the texture. I love the shape. It's just very, very pretty. And then got this guy right here. He probably needs a name. Don't know what to name him yet. And oh, I forgot to show you this picture that I got, which also I thought would really work in with my little whale and my birds. But I got this picture right here from Goodwill, and I got it for $2, and it's by Kim Rohde, 2006. It's when she actually, I guess, did this, but she painted it. It's also painted, it's got her signature. So this is going to go in my little styling also, and I will put that right there. Okay, I do have some extras that I'm going to put in there just to give it some more, like a riser here, and I have this riser. As you can see, I got this probably from Ross. It was $9.99. But I'm going to put this up so that we can put the little whale down and you can still see the whale. So he's going to go right here. I think I'll put some greenery over here. I think that would look really pretty. Let me get some garland. All right. I'm going to use this greenery that I got. As you can see, it's a garland. I think I will do this over here. Let's put some greenery over here. I think this will be pretty. Maybe put it behind. Yeah, just give it some more color and texture. That way I'm going to put the cute little whale. He's going to go right there. How cute is he? Okay, I'm going to have the little owl probably, let's see, I think I'll have the owl sitting right here in the greenery. Okay, my little Aztec person, it's going to be sitting right here. And then I have the cute little face right here. Yeah, I think I'll do it this way. Okay, there you go. Probably, maybe, I think I'll put this down to give it some pretty glitter. And there it is. How gorgeous are all these pieces from Goodwill? It's hard to believe, isn't it? Think of all the money you save by going to Goodwill. All that money that you could save for your kids' education, buy new car if you need a new car, put money away for your retirement. Yeah, everybody is into being a minimalist, and this is when you can scarf up all the good buys for half the price. Okay, guys, I would love it if you would subscribe, hit the like button, notification bell, and share it with your families and friends, and I will see you in the next video. Love you. Bye-bye.